Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your host Hamza Anwar and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the activities of Unit 6, The Bird and the Elephant, from the book English Language for Grade 9, Balochistan Textbook Board, Quetta. So let's start doing the activities. The first question is, choose the correct answer from the given options to complete the sentences. The little birds drew close to their mother because they were thirsty, were hungry, felt cold, or felt insecure. They felt insecure. The mother bird flew into one of the elephant's ears to whisper something to him, teach him a lesson, tell secret, or caress him. Teach him a lesson. The elephant begged the mother bird to leave him alone because he did not want to hurt her, was tired of the joke, could not defend himself, wanted her to go and look after her babies, could not defend himself. She never saw that elephant again because she did not invite him. He had learnt a good lesson. He was a giant. He didn't like the jungle because he had learned a good lesson. The expression to and fro means backwards and forwards, to return, to go away, or to stop. Backwards and forwards. Match the meanings of the following phrases. Column A to column B. Cried in panic means cried due to fear or pain. Leaned means to rely for support against something. Irritating, annoyance, annoying feeling. Prickly heat, extreme heat. Stop dead without any movement. What is the main theme of the story? The main theme of the story is that no one should disturb anyone. Now we are going to do its oral communication. Ask and express preferences. Two sisters at shopping center. Saira, listen, I want to buy some new bed sheets for the home. Bano, yes, sure. Then Saira says, perhaps we could buy this pair. I like floral patterns. Bano, I prefer this one with the geometric design. I think it looks attractive. Saira, I suppose you are right. Geometric design in lighter shades will be nice for the summer. Bano, personally I prefer darker shades, but if you like lighter shades, then it is okay. I am glad we found something that we both like. Bano, please pack these bed sheets and get the bill ready. And the shopkeeper says, okay. Now this is going to be your homework. Construct dialogues using expressions or preferences and perform in pairs. You have to make your own dialogues and then you should practice it with your class fellows or with your siblings. Subscribe to our channel Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Computer Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.